clear. This is a great for beginners. It's so easy to achieve this looks. And I am going to pick right here, right into my, oh, this one is so stunning. I can live with this. The reason it is because I'm gonna using you got the winning treasure box. Did you show it off, Miss Corina? Congratulations, Miss Corina. She's winning one of the followers when you're doing a share, and I think a giveaway, 20,000 giveaway. Oh, congratulations. I hope you enjoying it and you like it. So it's coming, 30,000 followers coming. With your love and your support, spread the words for your friends. If you have your friends that are looking for, you know, it's really nice tutorials brought to you by us. Tag your friends. Tag one of your bestie who is a nail technician in your, you know, industry and in different state that they couldn't even like, you know, get ideas, all different techniques. Tag them in so then they can all learn it. So I am cap this one completely, so then I can do the, can I get the pink one again? I think I want the pink colors, the number 29, the 29B, I think. 29B is a glitter one, please. Thank you. Open it for me. Oh, for real? Oh, when did you open it? I missed it. I must be so freaking crazy busy though. Nancy, I love hearing the passion in the voice. Thank you so much, Dynamics. I love it. It's just one of the story back for story, you know. It's like I would never like able to have time to share with all of you. But here's a story deep from my heart. It happened to me is 20 years ago when I still same techniques for beginners. Right here and pick up another pink. And because I want to do the chrome on the top. I was in college and then I went to beauty school the same time so I can get my license. And then the salons that I used to work long time ago, they would not teach me or show me anything because I don't know why, but hey, it doesn't matter. But they will book appointments or they book any special design. Like back then, 20 years, what else in the world? It's only airbrush back then, and then it's just like French, right? So, but they would not show me the techniques of French. Anyway, here's a college girl and try to being a good build a customer and then just work part-time. What I call part-time, but actually it's full-time. You work from noon to 8 o'clock, so like basically like 8 hours, you know. They don't want to share with me, so I'm basically it's like self-taught, and then I have to do a lot of Google and learning, and I'm start seeing if I can able to take any Twitch shows and everything. They basically like manipulating so you don't learn anything first of all, so then you don't make more money, I guess. I don't know who else who thinks who's know about what they're thinking, right? And that's really sad because I don't get to learn anything. But so now since I get to be really like unleash my potentials, you know, and done my college, I opened my business. And I learned over from so many different mentors. I love to learn. So now I get to share with all of you. You know, hey, life too short. You know, you only have one life to live. You get, and you get more if you give back. So I love it. And thank you for every single of you to tuning in. And me and on behalf of the team is really appreciate every single of you for your love and support. You know, it's just me. I got to being here on the platform of Glitz. I'm putting a clears on this. But a lot of people behind the scene in the office, shippings and everything, they don't get to be here. But on behalf of the team, thank you so much. Like Vicky, if you are not connecting to her. Vicky Jensen, she's one of my bestie, my good friends, my mentor, you name it. She's my really awesome mentor, one of the good mentors that's always been on my side. As I say, I wouldn't be here without her. And that's why we are passionate about sharing. And you know, it's not only we showing the products, but also we want you to be able to do exactly what you know you can do and achieve it the best of you can do. Great. Okay, so it looks so stunning. I did it with the like I call the mermaid, but also I did it with the pink, like purple. So if you have a blast of colors, a tray right here, this is everything. You can make so much design with your clients. You will fulfill every single thing they ask. Like the clients, my clients are so fancy and they are so bougie. They're like, what you have next, Nancy? What news? So I always have to like hunting a new things. I'm gonna let it set for about a few minutes and let it dry. And so hold on. Do you want to see the jet nails before I'm fine and buff the nails? Here you go. Do a jet nails. Jade nails, you need a clear powders.